So we are now going live to be trading binary option at this broker. So if you are now seeing this as a recording, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you never lose a session like this in the future. Also, make sure you sign up with the broker that you see I'm using up there now. You could just start with a demo account, completely up to you. It's more fun to follow my live sessions if you're also using the same broker. So you find a link below the video. And if you decide to go in with real money, you find also a promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit. So then make it count. Now I will just prepare everything for this live session. If you're here as in the live stream right now, welcome. Let's make some money together. I am now going to prepare everything. See you soon. So we can start by logging in. See. There, we are in. Then let's see if we can promote this live session just a little bit, just so we get some more people into it. Let's see. We are now live trading binary options. There. Okay. Let's try it out some few places, just so we get the most people we can into this live stream, because it's more fun when you have more people live. There and there. Then I think we have control of that. And when you come in, make sure you push the like button. That helped me tremendously. Now let's see. Let's see if we can find some trades. Let's close this one. Let's close Ripple. Let's basically close everything. Let's take a reload here. Just to make sure, so we get the correct values. Going a little slow. We need to wait a long time in between each time we reload here, looks like. There. Now we are here. Okay. Here you see, quite full, kind of fun. You see that the line we have from yesterday is still pretty darn good. Let's reset the chart. This one I will trade right away if you go up there. Let's turn that into a red color. We do $100 trades. There we have it. Now we might even trade down there. Let's see. Let's make ourselves a line there. Let's make that one a green one. So there we have our trading zone. We are not trading this, we can remove. So we are now trading in between these two lines. If you go down to this green one here, I will move it a little bit. We have 3, but I put it on the lowest end on this scale. And we will do 30-second trades. While we wait, as we're in the middle, let's open some more. Let's see, minus 73, that is the low end. And what else? Let's take Polygon also. Now let's see here first. Okay, now we're very close. Let's change to 30. We will take sell trades up there. If we just can get up there. Let's see. I'll set up the tablet so I can see the live chat. I forgot that part. Let's see. Let's see. Let's open. There. Okay. And cool. Now I'm able to see the chat also. So if you write something in chat, I will reply for you. Now we are looking for sell trades in the red line and buy trades on the green line. So resistance and support, but we just call it lines in these streams. Let's see. We do have support here, so I'm expecting us to come up here. Let's see. Now we just need to stay patient. Okay. And every trade we do, I will follow up here. And when we do trades, we are getting cash back. So you will see every time I do a trade, will come a small number coming here. This is something I collect always in the recap video I make after. Now see. Down here, I think I'll do 30-second close. I change a little in between 30 and 1 minute. Both works good for me. Well, let's see. We will also follow these two pairs here. I think even we can add Dodge. We are not done so good on Dodge, but we can add it there. So you have that one also. And Polygon, let's take a look. And Binance Coin. Okay. I think we follow this one for now. And every time when you change in between, remember to change the time here. Now that's it. So don't be tempted to do any trades in between, because that's where you will start to lose your win rate. Keep to the good areas. Like this one, we might move up and down. We follow a little what will happen. As you see, this was the lowest point. Here go a little higher. If we see one come down and close maybe around here, we might move it a little up just so we get some trades. But we'll always keep within. We will never go higher than this one, just if we start getting many lines over here, for example. So we always follow a little what the chart says, because as we're trading on 1 minute, our support and resistance we have now might not be a support and resistance we have 1 hour from now. They might change. Like you see here, for example, now we're trading here. In 1 hour, maybe we trade down in this region again. So these changes, they will come, but within the live session we have right now, the probability is that it will stay within where we are right now. Now let's see. So our area we are interested right now is this green line. So when this bar come down to this green line, we basically just push the up button. So I keep it very simple. It's the same color button as the color we are going to push here. So line, and we keep it simple. And even when I'm trading by myself, I do these top things because I have seen that when I start to be tired, I do not do mistakes when I do this type of way. Now let's see. Little weird how few people, basically just one person is in the live stream. Little strange. As I said before, I think I have some blocks from YouTube that blocks this live streams. That's why we are moving more and more over to Discord in the long run. Now let's see if we just can get down here, so we can get our first trade in. That would be nice. Now let's see. Okay, I'm ready. Let's see. No, still did not get down to where we wanted. Let's check if this one get up around this area here. I will jump over and check down on the pairs. Currently we are close to get a trade here. I know it's boring to be waiting like this, but sometimes we need to have some patience even when trading binary option. No, I think now we can check Binance Coin. Let's take a look. At least mark our area, and I will say there we take trade. I'm ready. Let's see. So we put a line at 215.81. I was a little slow there. We have a trade in. Let's now go to my trades and let's follow the one we just take. So this one will open more for 20 seconds. We are set to win $73 on this trade. So if we win, that is. Now let's see, 10 more seconds. Looks like we have a good one here. And there, $73. So you see, just stay patient and you get money. Now we are breaking a little down, so let's go back here and take a look on the one we had here. We are getting closer, and like I said before, when you change in between the pairs, remember to change your time here. We are trading 30 seconds today. So now we will follow here again. You see the line, I put it at, oh, we are getting close. We have it at 15.310 is where we put the line. So now let's see, if we get down there, we will go in. We just need, but here we need to be fast, because that might shoot down there very fast. So I will do my best to see if I can get a good entry down there. Let's cheese up this one so we can see better. If we break higher than this, we will then move over and see other coins again. Let's see. We would have stayed all the time with Binance Coin. Binance Coin is the pair I trade the most and have the most success trading. But as we just get 73%, we need to see if other pairs like this, where we have 98%, gives trading opportunities, because we make more money. Now let's see. So till now we have just one trade, but we also have this we get. So you can see now we did one trade and we got $4. So that means you get $4 each 100 trades you do. Let's see. That means for every $25 trade, you make $1 back in cash back up here. That is pretty darn good, I would say. Now we are in the middle, so let's go over and check Binance Coin again. we are far away in the middle, so let's go over here, polygon. Here I don't see nothing. We can remove lines, there's no confusion about trading here. Here, maybe done here, but we need one more test. We can mark it with a blue line, just so we have it if we go in back here again. So we have blue line there, blue line for the ones that follow me, they know that is a line that we have not decided if we're going to trade yet. Dodge, let's take a look. Same goes for down here. This is an area where I would believe we can maybe trade. Up here I feel it's too close, so I'm not deciding anything up there yet. Only thing I don't like with this line here is that we see that you have these huge spikes down here, so that's where we have a blue line. Now let's go back to Ethereum Classic. How long time have we been away from this line? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have been a little long time away, so I'll make this one blue. The reason for that, we've been 20 minutes away from the line up there, so we don't know if this support here is still at the exact same place. So what I would like to do then is that we just wait a little, get one test up here before we decide if this one will turn red. And good morning, Maverick. We have today just done one trade that is a winner. Now let's see. And tomorrow, for the ones that tune in tomorrow, we will trade at Discord. I will just post that link for anyone that don't know. Let's throw that one in here. There. So there we will trade live tomorrow. Now let's see. Okay. Give us a good opportunity to jump over to check other ones. Like I said, here we are not trading. Let's remove this line all over. Actually, we can put a blue line down here. We need one more test. If we get one more test on here, we will activate this area, because we see back here that this was the area before, and a little lower here. So that here you see my point with the 1 minute. That you see the lines can be different. Here it was, then it go a little up, then it go down here, and now maybe it's around here. So always when you have an old line, you need to follow it. Old line means like 20 minutes away from the line. Good morning, Luke. Now let's see. We are not trading it yet. I just make it ready. We need one more test on here. Let's see if we can get that now. While we wait, we can go to Polygon, see if we have something there. Here is the same case. We need one more test down here. In the top, I will say we have nothing to mark yet. And let's check Dodge. Here is the same thing. I want a test of this line first. I don't like these big spikes. That's why I want. If this one was closed here and this one around here, I would have activated this already to a green. But as we have these big spikes, I just need to see one more how it go. If I need to have my line down here, what I'll do, this we'll see. Let's go back here. So here you also see we have a blue line at the top. Just because you have been long away from the line. Probably will be more or less up here, will never be here. So let's wait and see. And here I will never tread, it's too close. This is basically the limit, I would say, in between two lines. I will never put two lines too much more closer than this. I feel this is good enough area, so we have little breathing area. Because otherwise we will just be waiting for one to break very soon. So when I have two lines that are too close to each other, then I always choose one that I feel is a little stronger and I keep to just that one. Okay. So as you can see, we are not getting many trades, but it's not always about the amount of trades, it's to just keep to the strategy, because the reality is that when we first, you can see now if you had the line here, you can see how many trades you will have taken here, and you will basically, maybe it's a possibility you would have lost this one if you got a bad entry, but the rest, even with bad entries, you would have won. So you can see here you will take trades after each other. So when we first get one of these areas where we're getting trades, then you're printing money. But the reality, sometimes in the 1 hour I have my live sessions, we will run in between and we don't get so many trades. Now let me change this to 30. I'm not trading, but it's to maybe activate it. Let's see. If this one closes more like this one's here, I activate right away. If it closes a little wrong, then I need to follow. So this might be the new area. Now I will do a reload on chart because we lost this bar here for some reason. Let's see, the reload last time did take forever. Let's see if it's a little faster this time. Was a little faster. Now, see if this one now forms something like this one. This resistant here might be down here this time. Let's move our line down and follow and see. We need one more. So you see it can be a little difference from the one in the past, even though it's not so long time ago. Let's wait and see. Okay, it's a little higher, but it's still not too much. Depending where this one closed now, we will take a look. We need one more. Perfect, I like what I'm seeing now. If this one come now and close more like this too, we will activate it. There, that is a perfect setup. If this one close around down here, we turn this one into red and we'll start trading. Now let's see, everything depends on this bar now. Right now this is a perfect bar for making this one a tradable zone. Let's see, we still need to wait till this bar close. I'm ready to turn this to a red line. Now, like I said, this is a perfect setup. This bar should close anytime now. Let's see. Yes, we activated. Then we change for 30 seconds. If we get up there now, we will take a trade. So you see, it's not always the resistance and support. They sometimes, within an amount of 20 minutes, they might change a little. So you see it's a little lower than the one over here, but will always be more or less in the same area. So when you see area like this, you know that there will be something close to it, but that does not need to be perfect. So now we are done here. Now let's see. Okay. Down here, we've been a long time away. So let's change the color on this one also to a blue color. So that means we're just following for now down there. And let's see, now we are getting close to our trading zone. Not yet. Let's zoom in. I'm in. Got a terrible entry, but I think it will be good enough. You see all closes below that area. Let's bring up the trade so we can follow. 19 seconds. Now let's see. Just wait more, 15, and probably we win this trade. Let's see. Then we're getting our second trade of the day in. And ooh, that was close. That was very close. I'll take one more maybe. Did not like exactly very close, but if this one can come down here would be nice. Let's see. Let's put in the $98. We now have a profit of 171. That is pretty darn good. Let's close this and follow. If this bar, I would prefer it to close down here. Otherwise, he's breaking a little my setup here. So, but if he closes down here, he will repair the closing of the bar there. Let's see. Okay. If we close up here, I will not trade on the next trade on this line, just so you know. Depending on where this one closes, let's see, he closed a little lower than this. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence on that one. I think I want to wait one more bar, it's better, just to be sure. It's nice if you can close below this bar here before we trade on this red line again. So there are no confusion. I'm not trading right now. I make it blue. I want a bar close below this. Only reason for that is that this one closed a little high. Otherwise, this one is still above it also. So we still can be looking our break of this line. So only way I can start trading here now, see I don't take trades, because I still see it as a bullish move that he will break up. So let's wait. So this is a way you can make so you can get a little higher win rate. It's not written in stone that he will go up now, but we need the confirmation that he, see here now, he closed it higher here also. If you had bad entry, you would have lost here. This for me looks like he will break upwards now. So now we basically now just need a bar close below this one here before us to activate this one up again. Okay, so now let's just wait. We are forming a good bar here now, so we maybe can activate it. You can see where I have my line going there now. So if you can close below that, we are good. We turn the one up, it will be red again. But we maybe will move it a little up, I'll see. Let's wait and see. So this is the area we need to close below. There, we activate it again. Now I will move it a little up. I think up around here is a nice area now. So now we still are trading up here, but we need to be patient again. As we're a little far away, let's go and check the other pairs super fast to see if something is happening. Here we are in the middle, so we are not doing nothing. And this one, I think now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think we turn this one into a blue line. For now, hold it on. Here you see, I would have activated the line here. So with a 1, 1, and maybe we would have lost this one. I will now just, yeah, he closed there, so that means we, by the way, are not taking trades here right now. Let's check Dodge. Doge also looks strange. Maybe this is the area. Let's wait, we need some more confirmation down there. So then our best bet right now is Ethereum Classic. And also down here, maybe that it's around this area. Let's see, I'll move it there, let's see. Let's wait and see where this one close. Okay. Now we need 2 more tests here, so we have very good time. Let's go back to these ones. Here I can't see nothing. It's a polygon. Okay. Let's follow here. If you get one more, we might activate this. So let's keep polygon open for now. We need one more test on this line. So if this support line can give us another test that looks more like these two here, we will then activate it. This was not good enough for me. We need at least to come down to this line before I consider this. Let's see. Or it's still enough space. Let's do this. Let's go for this. Let's turn this into a green, depending on where he close. I changed my mind a little. Okay, then now we're moving it down. He closed it too far down, so we are not trading this one either. So there you see, we can't be too early to change our color of the line. Like I said, I was waiting to see where this one was closing, by the way, but he closed it too far down. So one more, not so many trades, but you see, we save ourselves from losing trades at least. So today we have done just 2 trades, but we have won both of them. I think we need to open some more pairs. See if we can get Bitcoin. I never trade Bitcoin. But do you know what? This area does not look half bad. Let's put a line there. In that case, I need to have it there. This one I'll turn right away to a green color. Let's take it to 30 seconds. Let's see if we can get a good entry there now. We are getting close. The line I put at 26.59.3.134. Let's see, we are getting very close to put in a trade. I'm in. That was a nice entry. Let's bring up the trade here now and let's follow and see how this plays out. He is breaking a little lower than he had done before, so maybe this will be a losing trade. Let's wait and see. Yes, he closed it lower. That's why we don't trade Bitcoin. We lost that trade. Okay, completely fine. We are still in profit. Let's take minus 100. Our profit is then at 71. Let's just remove Bitcoin. I do not like it. Let's take another one. We have Doge. Ethereum is basically moving like Bitcoin. I don't like it that much. And this two pays a little too little for me. Yes, I have the same with Binance.Coin. Binance.Coin is my favorite. That's the only reason. No. This, I see something in between everything, so we can't trade here. Okay, now we might get a trade in the top. Let's take the 30, let's zoom out, let's reset the chart. This might and we have not been away so long time, so we will take a trade up there. Let's see. So we have taken 3 trades today, 2 winners and 1 loser. Well, let's wait and see. Let's see. Come on now. We just need a spike up to the red line. We have now been trading for 36 minutes. We'll trade for more 24-ish, so we still have some time. It's a very slow day this Friday. Let's see. Come on now. Tomorrow we're going to trade on another broker, and that will be on Discord. And typically our Saturday tradings have a lot of trades, so make sure you tune in tomorrow. You find link in the chat for that part. Now we see that we have some type of weak support here, so hopefully he get a boost up, so we get up to a line up here now. If we break here now, that will be a little boring because we don't have anything to go on in the bottom. These two are complete out of area. Actually fits over here, so maybe not. Let's put a line there. If we get one more clear that looks more like these ones and these ones, we might activate it, but let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum seems to move very slow, and it's very difficult to be trading it. Just wait a little, I need to check something. Sorry for that, needed to fix something. That's good, that's good. More people will start to get on our live stream on Discord. More times I will start to do this live stream also. For now, I'm keeping it just for Saturdays, but I'm planning to be more active there also. Both to be trading this broker and another broker on Discord also, as it's a superb place to trade. And next time you're trading, we also have even better quality because I have boosted the channel a little bit. Binance in the top line, let's take a look. Bottom line, I guess. Let's mark it there, depending on where this one closes. Let's see. On the line, I see now. I did read top line. Yes. Let's turn this one to a green color. I did like where this one closed. So let's do 30. Let's wait and see. Okay. The line you see, we had here, then go a little up here, go down here, and now it's down here. So you see, like I said, and up here, down, up again. So you see, it does not mean a line, does not need to be the exact where it have been before. That's why when we are waiting, when you wait for like 20 seconds, 20 minutes, we need to reallocate where the line is. But now, as far as we come down here again, we'll take a trade, but I don't want it to go too far away. You see here, we can come down right away. So it's still within the area, but if we break above these bars there, then we will need to move on. If he close where it is now, then he probably will just go upwards. The thing is, you're not ahead of me, but it's because we have a lag here in YouTube. So the lag sometimes can be quite big. So sadly, this is the problem we have with YouTube compared with Discord. Discord is basically from 0 to like less than 1 second delay. So you basically don't feel a delay whenever trading. But here on YouTube, we can have huge delays. That's why we only are looking on the lines. That's why when I make lines, we are just looking the lines, not where my bar is compared with your bar. But yes, YouTube is terrible for live streams. Only reason I do live stream on YouTube is because we do get some new people, because I try to build up my Discord, basically. So in the future, we will only do live streams on Discord. We will not do any trades on YouTube in the future for live. I will make videos, of course, in YouTube, but my plan is to only do live sessions just like this one in Discord going forward later on when we start to get some more people in there. And lately, I have seen that we have more people in the live session in Discord than we have in YouTube, so that's good. But I still want to bring over more people from YouTube. Like you could see yesterday, we had like 12 people, I think, in the max in the live stream yesterday. So it's to bring all these people over to Discord, and then maybe we can be moving permanently over to Discord later. Now let's see, I'm ready to go in. Not yet. Almost. He's not so wrong, but I need a little better entry than this. I did not get it. Now he closed a little high for my liking. So me personally, I will wait. I will not take a trade here now. I will wait. I want it to close at least lower than the highest one you see here. So let's just wait. The bar in itself is perfect compared with this one's, but he closed a little high. That's why we are waiting. So you see this line I have there now. We want him to close below before I trade on the line up. Where they're located, I think it's UK. I think it's UK. To be quite frankly, I'm not 100% sure. Okay, there. Now we should be good. Now we'll trade line up there. So one more up here, we will take it. This one, like I said, I was a little slow on the triggers, I didn't manage to get it. But by the way, he closed it very high. Now let's see. So today, very few trades, as you can see. We have only taken 3 trades, 2 winner, 1 loser. We have a small profit of $71. Of course, we have the $12 up here also, because as I do trade $100 trades, every trade gives me $4. Now we're a little far away from the line, so let's check the other ones. Far away. Do we trade there? Do you know what? Let's consider it. Let's see. I'll put a line and let me see how it looks like. We see that this was a support, quite good support also. Do you know what? Let's activate it. Now we have 2 bars a little higher, so if you're going to take it, let's consider it up there. We do have 3 lines, we just take the 2 highest ones. So if we do get up to this line there, yes, we will take a down trade. Down here, I would say, how long time been away? If you get one strong bar down here, I will take it directly on the line, but I keep it blue for now, because we're starting to be long time away from this line also. But yes, I like the down here much better than the one up here. So we are now traded for 48 minutes. We'll trade more 11-ish minutes. Okay. Here start to look interesting. Let's mark it and take a look before I decide. I think we can just trade this right away. This looks quite nice. Let's take 30 seconds, and if we go up again. Lately when we make the lines, he just start to go the direction down. So we are a little too late to the show every time today, so we're not getting that many trades. But now let's see, maybe we get a chance now. We have so many times we've done it, so why not now? Let's see. We need more trades for making some money here today. Don't tell me he will start to go down now. Down here, I will take a trade there also right away. So we can say this is a trading zone, because we have not been away that long, and he fits perfect with the past bars. So let's keep this one open. Doge is actually one of the altcoins that I have not had that much luck when we talk about binary option. I think I have lost more than I've won on this one, so I'm always aware of that. Binance coin is the one I have most success with. Now let's see. Okay, this closest was not bad, so it's still good. Oh, way too fast, and he's going way too high. I don't like it, but I did take a trade. Let's wait and see. Now we need to wait 10 more seconds. Super fast week. Yeah, Mac Pro with the M chip, they're very good. So there we got it, 98, amazing. Only problem I find with Mac is they are so expensive. I feel you get you really need to pay a lot for what you're buying. So personally, I'm not using Macintosh because I feel they're a little overpriced. Okay, let's now see if this might be the area. Let's make it a blue line. But by the way, we at least have 4 trades, 3 winners and 1 loser. Our profit today is 169. As you're waiting here now, let's go over to Ethereum Classic Arc again. Okay, do you know what? Depending on how this bar, okay, now he's breaking too far down. Let's see what this bar do first, and I will consider what I'll do. Everything depends on where this one closes now. He closed it good, then I think there we can make a green line there. Yes, I know it's just 2, but I'm considering this one included in the number. I just take it to the lower area of these 2. So we will take trades if we come down to that region. Oh yeah, no, that's the thing with Macintosh, that yes, they are very stable when you first buy. I will say you have plus and minus with Macintosh. I was a big Macintosh man before. I had all computers I bought was Macintosh. That was from the time they changed it for the Intel chip. Now they have gone away from Intel chip again, but in time they started with it, I only had Macintosh. But the problem I find out is that you can buy any Windows computer, right? And you can install the latest you can say the latest version of the OS. But if you have a Macintosh, even you start to get problems to upgrade, because it's, first of all, it's very difficult to upgrade. It's not so easy to do yourself, because they are preventing you to do these type of things yourself. Personally, I like to open, if it's a laptop or if it's a normal computer, I like to open them and be able to change parts myself. But this is harder when it comes to Macintosh. Second of all, when you have a Macintosh, it's very difficult. Sometimes they let you behind. So that means that you have an older Macintosh, older can be like 5-6 years, then suddenly you will not be able to do the next updates that come on the operation system, and then come an application. This can be for cell phone, this can be for the computer, that you will not be able to install because you don't have the latest version of the OS. This is something I don't like. And also, for strange reasons, the cable they send with Macintosh, at least in the past, they have a tendency to break very easily. They start to rip off this gummy part that's around the cable and start to break the cable. Always, I think I did burn through many cables, at least on my laptop. So they're good and bad at the same time, and I feel everything, if you want to buy something extra to a cell phone or to a computer, they cost like crazy money, and it does not make sense what you need to pay for just a cable. So that's why I'm staying a little away from Macintosh right now, because I feel it's so much easier to upgrade these things on a normal Windows computer. Now it's, when that is said, I think it's 2025. The European Union have made a rule that makes that it's supposed to be easy to change battery and these type of things on computer and cell phones. So I think this law is already approved. So I think it will be better in the future, but right now it's not. Now let's see, how are we in time? We just have a few minutes left, so let's wait and see. Let's see if we have something we can trade right away. I would say this area, I will take it. Let's make that one a red one, just because we have little time left. If we get up there, I'll take it. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, like I said, when you first have a working good Macintosh, nothing can compare to it. The slick lines and everything, it's amazing. So when you first have a new Macintosh or iPhone, it's amazing. Nothing can compare with it. It's only when it start to be old, then you get the problems. So yes, when you first have a new one, yes, I will agree, it's amazing. Now we are in the end of the live stream. I think this is the lowest amount of trades we have done in a live stream, at least that I can recall. 4 trades only, and does not seem we're going to get some more trades. That's completely fine. Today is a Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I will be back again tomorrow, but will be on Discord, so make sure you tune in then. And if you are seeing this as a recording, you find links below the video for Discord and for the brokers you are using. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications so you never lose a live stream like this. And for Luke and Maverick, thank you so much to be part of this live stream. Make this live stream go much faster, where we can have a small conversation also. And as you can see, we can even talk a little outside of trading. That's completely fine. Think of, because in between the trades, it's always nice to have a nice conversation going on. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you